Hello friends, this is Dr. Antoine Nyongeko, your coaching data analysis using R2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can calculate similarity in document. For instance, when you are making your research, you need to see whether your document you are reading are similar to or are related to your research domain. I'm going to show you how you can make text screening, how you can calculate cosine similarity, and I'm going to show you how you can calculate Jaccard similarity. To perform this analysis, you need some libraries like this one, PDF tools, TM for text mining, and philanthropy for Cosine and Jaccard similarity calculation. Let's run these libraries, and then I will show you step by step how you can perform this analysis. Now, I'm just calling these libraries in working environment. If you don't have such libraries, you have to install those libraries. Now, this command allows me to prepare my PDF documents on which I'm going to work. This is for loading. This command is for loading our documents in working environment. Let's run this command. And this command allows me to see the number of files I have imported in my working environment. Let's run this command to see the number. As you can see here, friends, you see I have 5 PDF documents. Let's see the number of pages by each document. Let's run this command. This one. As you can see here, friends, you see the first document, and the first document here has 16 pages. Second document has 13 pages. Third document, you see it has 12 pages. And fourth document has 7 pages, and fifth document has 8 pages. Okay. Now, as you can see, my documents were correctly imported, and now I'm going to create. Now I'm going to create corpus document using this command. Let's run this command to create corpus. Now I'm going to clean my PDF documents. I'm working on determinant of entrepreneurship. I found some articles and I want to compare those articles, and this comment is for all these comments are for preparing our documents. For instance, this comment will remove punctuations, this one will remove stop words, this one will transform to lower, this for streaming, this one for removing numbers, this one for removing white space, and so on and so forth. Now this command here is to indicate that I have 5 files. Let's run this command for preparation. Let's run all these commands. Now I finished with cleaning my documents or my file. The next step is to transform my PDF, my file here, this is entrepreneurial term document matrix, term document, sorry. This is a noun that I give to my file. And I want to transform this file you see here in matrix. This is command. I want to transform this document, the document here in matrix. And now, as you can see here, I just want to select words which have a minimum of 5 frequency here. I can increase the frequency, or I can just reduce as I want. But here I consider only words which has minimum frequency of 5. Let's run these commands. This one to transform my document in matrix, term document in matrix. Next step is just to use this command philanthropy to calculate similarity. But remember, friends, before you perform this analysis, you have to transpose your document. When you run this command, that means rows become columns, and the columns become rows. Now let's transpose this document, my document. Now I'm going just to use this command, this one, distance, and I indicate the method to be used, which is Jaccard, to calculate Jaccard distance measure or Jaccard distance Jaccard similarity. Let's run this command, friends. You will see how these documents are similar or dissimilar. Let's run this command. Okay, before doing this, let's clean this space to make everything clear. Now let's increase the size. You will see. Now you see document. This is the noun of the author in document. There's Fernandez, Jose, Muhammad, Sylvia, Tegen. These are the nouns of the authors of those documents. I'm working on this one, this one. Now these are the nouns. And when I compare, this is Jaccard, this similarity, Jaccard similarity. When I compare the document by Fernandez to document for Fernandez, you see the distance is 0. Here you see the similarity because I'm comparing the document to itself. That's why you have the 0. Now, as you can see here, friends, when I compare this document by Fernandez to document by Jose, you see similarity is 0.08 or 28%. When I compare Muhammad to Fernandez, you see here, friends, this one to this one, you see similarity is 0.32. And when I compare also this document Muhammad to this one Jose, you see similarity is 0.32. When I compare Sylvia and Fernandez document, you see when I want to read it, do like this, and I compare like with this, you see similarity is 0.4 or 40%. When I compare this document, this one, to this one, you see similarity is 45%, to this one is 36, and so on and so forth. Why these documents are similar? Because all these documents are related to determinant of entrepreneurship intention. That is why you see there are this, according to Jaccard similarity. That's why I found some of those documents are similar, because they are working on determinant of entrepreneurship intention. That's why you see they are similar. And I can use also cosine distance measure. Let's run this command, friends. You see it is the same command, but I have to indicate the method to be used when I want to calculate similarity. And let's run these comments. Okay. Now let's clean here, friends, to see where the results. I run this command to print just the result only. That's one. Okay, let's show you the results. As you can see here, friends, when I compare this document Fernandez to this one, you see similarity is this one. You see the number. Jose to Fernandez, you see this number is the same. When I compare Muhammad to Fernandez, you see similarity is this one using cosine similarity measure. When I compare Sylvia to Fernandez, you see similarity. When I compare Tegen to Fernandez document, you see the similarity, cosine similarity, and so on and so forth. This is how you can use cosine and Jaccard similarity analysis, and if you want to calculate or if you want to analyze similarity of your document. For instance, when you are making literature review, you need to see whether you need to choose document to be included in your literature review. But before making this choice, you can see whether your documents or your articles are similar or dissimilar. Thank you very much for watching this video, friends. I was just trying to show you how you can calculate similarity. If you like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. For next video. Bye.